So if I were you, I would be ready. I would be so ready. Welcome to my channel, Talk Him. I am your host, Lady J. Isaiah 53 says, He was wounded for my transgressions. He was bruised for our iniquities. The chastisement of our peace was upon him, and by his stripes we are healed. Take a listen. The bearded man they could not stand. Jesus was treated inhumane. It was so insane. His blood that dripped from that whip. He moved and he quivered. His mother shivered. His face was unrecognizable. His head swelled so sizable. He wanted a drink. If they had to rethink, they would have known he was the missing link. The words he spoke, they laughed, ha, 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 and played dice on his cloak, thinking he was a big joke. He died for mankind. Joseph prepared Jesus a rich shrine. He rose from that grave. Yours and my debts, he has paid. He tried to employ, now Jesus is coming back to destroy. He's coming on a white horse, showing mankind no remorse. So if I were you, I would be ready. I would be so ready to receive the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords when he returns. Don't wait. Don't wait. Tomorrow, even today, may be too late. You may close those pearly eyes and not open them, but open them on the other side. Would Jesus Christ be your guide? There's a question that you have to answer. If I were you, I would make the most important decision of my life to accept Jesus Christ while you have breath in your body. You're not breathing your own breath, but you're breathing the breath of Jesus Christ. So, ask him to come into your life so you can have eternal life. Accept him today. Accept him today. Don't delay. I am your host, Lady J. This is Talk Him. I'm out until next time.